Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I want to thank all the new subscribers for coming back to the channel. I also want to thank all the other people for keep watching my channel. I greatly appreciate it. I really hope you enjoyed the video, so please like, share, and leave a comment below. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day. Bye. We got good news. My white lightning sure she finally had an egg. As you can see here, she's got one egg in there. Hopefully she has a second one here. But what do you do? And these guys got here, they got eggs, so that's great news to see. I've been waiting for her to have eggs, but hopefully it's good here. I'll do a little video here and show you how it's like. So I'm not sure if you can see that or not. But as you can see here, that's when this egg is good. And the bad news is, with her, I found the egg that she had sitting down behind it, and it looked like it got frozen. So, give me a second here, and I'll grab her egg and show you what it looks like. I think it's no good, just because the way it looks. There's no yolk in it. Yeah, this egg is no good. You can see the egg yolk here on the bottom of my side here, floating, and it's no good. So I'm pretty sure what happened is that egg got frozen, and now it is no good. So, but I wanted to wait to see if she has or lays another egg, so I want to leave it there for now and go from there. So if she does, that'll be great. If she don't, then she'll have to start breeding again. So hopefully everything else works out good. So, but I just kind of wanted to show you the difference. So, well, good news. The one from Danny's little bird here that was such a runt there, wouldn't get fed. He's doing really good now. Crop nice and full. He's got his band on him. He's getting there. So that's good news. He's doing good and healthy, so at least mom and dad taking care of him good. So we'll put him back in here so he stays nice and warm. Sorry about that, just kind of free-handed in here, so I know a little wobbly. My Bouchards are looking good. Babies are looking really good. These guys are looking really good. Okay, here's mom. She's watching over the babies. Doing really good. These guys are doing good. So these guys are here doing really good too. This is the ones I'm looking forward to seeing how they really do. Okay, these two here were my fastest birds last year, so I put them together and see how they do. So kind of looking forward to see how them youngsters do. So, but overall, them youngsters are doing good. Dad's sitting there with mom, so hopefully they lay another egg, because if not, we're gonna have to wait for them to do another one. Their babies are looking good. Hey, these guys are looking good, and those guys are looking good. So